Norway can't trick me this time. This time I know I'm on a ferry. Aha! Last time I stayed out here the whole ferry ride. But I read your comments and you guys said to go inside and check out the food. I should have came in here last time. Look at this. All type of goodies. Hey, this is what you guys was talking about right here. Brown cheese and butter or sweet cream. Sweet cream it is. I'm gonna grab some bear. And for my drink, apple juice. And what's this? Apparently you just pay yourself. It's a trust system. What? Look at that. Okay. Boom. I don't know, are these free? And I see microwaves. Am I supposed to heat this up? I said I wasn't gonna do no more food videos for a while. But I have to try this. I'm on the ferry, I have to. Now this is bomb. Honestly, this is what American pancakes look like. Like, seriously. I gotta say, you guys were right. That was good as hell. And it's still really cool.